Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Alright, we're going to drive through the Swallowfield area. We're actually heading towards Mountain View Avenue, so this is the easiest way to go through Swallowfield. And if we turn right here, that will take us down to Swallowfield Road, and that is where you find the Swallowfield Examination Depot. And that's where you go to get your car passed. That's where you go to apply for your driver's license. Not apply, that's where you go to do the driving test. So that's basically that's the most popular location in Swallowfield. There is also a church, Swallowfield Church, which is very popular, but the examination depot is the most popular location in Swallowfield. Okay, we're now coming up to the intersection with Arthur Wint Drive. So if we turn left, we'd head towards the stadium. If we turn right, we'd head towards Bostomanti Children's Hospital. And Bostomanti Children's Hospital is the largest children's hospital in the English-speaking Caribbean. They're actually building a second hospital in Montego Bay. I don't think it's going to be as large as the one in Kingston though. Alright, on the left is the police station, and on the right is the National Stadium. And as you know, Jamaica is a track and field powerhouse. A lot of great sprinters in track and field. And that's where they all get their start, over at the National Stadium. Okay, we're now coming up to the intersection with Mountain View Avenue. If we turn left, we take Mountain View towards... It will take us towards Old Hope Road. But we're going to go right and take Mountain View towards Windward Road. Basically, the route we're taking now is the route you would take to get to the airport. We're actually heading over to St. Thomas to see the progress that's going on with the highway that they're building there. So this is the route out of Kingston basically. Now Mountain View Avenue has a lot of communities on it, and a lot of times you have a lot of turmoil because this community is supportive of one political party, and then literally the community across the road is supportive of another political party. So a lot of times you have incidents in this area, and it causes a problem because this is the main, or one of the main roads towards the airport. So anytime there is an incident, there's an alternative route to take. Norman Manley Boulevard, you take Port Royal Street, but you still would have to detour. So you have a lot of police stations in the area. We passed one by the stadium. There's one actually on Mountain View Avenue, because this road cannot stay blocked for long, for the mere reason it's one of the main roads to the airport. So on the right, where you see the painted fence, that's Nannyville. On the left is Mountain Terrace. Okay, on the right now is the Excelsior Community College. And then that's this gate here, that's the community college. And then this gate down here, where that taxi just turned, this is the Excelsior High School. The Excelsior High School is one of the top schools in Jamaica. Very prestigious school, excellent academically. Okay, that intersection we just passed is Deanery Road, and that will take you back towards downtown Kingston. So we are on Mountain View Avenue heading towards Windward Road, or basically heading towards the airport. Now, Harborview used to operate a very popular drive-in, and it no longer operates though, but basically to head to the airport you would have to take this route, or if you were heading to the drive-in, this is the route you would take. So it's a very popular road. Also in Rockfort you have a lot of factories like Jamaica Cement Company, you have the flour mills, you have also Harborview has a very large population. So this main road is very, very busy. And it should actually be renovated. It should look like Constant Spring Road with a concrete barricade. It should be a dual carriageway. But I don't think it was ever designed for that, because if you see where these light poles are, you notice how close they are to the road. That means this road was never designed to be a dual carriageway. If it was, the light poles would be a lot, they would be put further back. And you can see the fences of the people's house are literally right up against the road. So this road was never designed to be a dual carriageway. But it's very busy, and it should have been, especially being the main route, or one of the main routes to the airport. Okay, so on the left now is the Mountain View Police Station. On the right is the entrance to Rollington Town. As we said, a lot of communities are off this road. Now this section of the road looks like it was designed to be a dual carriageway, because on the left you can see how far in the fences are. So it could easily take another lane, and actually this lane is actually very big. So it could definitely have 4 lanes on this section of the road. And you can see how far in the light poles are now. So this section of the road was designed to be a dual carriageway. On the left, the light poles are very far in, so there is space for another lane. Okay, so straight ahead now is the intersection with Windward Road. If we turn left, we take Windward Road towards the airport. If we turn right, that will take us, Windward Road will take us towards downtown Kingston. So if for some reason Mountain View Avenue is blocked, Windward Road is one of the alternate routes to get to the airport, and also Norman Manley Boulevard is another route. And unfortunately, sometimes Windward Road is also blocked. So when that happens, you have to take Norman Manley Boulevard. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.